Hello everyone, my name is Kush Patel and today in this video we are solving LeetCode problem number 1678 goal phrase in interpretation. So in this particular question we are basically given an any of the string that that is something like this, any characters in between, and in between there are some circle brackets, which if circle bracket is opening and closing side by side, then we have to consider it as a O and output is it accordingly. Else, if there is any character in between, then we have to ignore it. This is all this question is saying. You can read the description here. So without wasting any time, let's try to simply solve this. So for this question, I will use simple for loop and if conditions. So firstly, I will use uh, I will make a string named ANS in which I will deploy all the our conditions. Okay. So our first condition will be that if I get any circle brackets side by side, then I will consider it as a O. So for that, I will use command of I equal to this. And also we will use AND operator so that we can know that in this condition, if very next very next character is closing circle bracket is there or not. If it is there, then we will push O in our answer string. Okay, in our second condition will be for the this kind of brackets. So as you can see, we have to ignore this kind of brackets in which any character is available. So for that, I will again use a if condition. The condition is look like upper condition. We will use or operator here. So if our first condition is ran, then this kind of whole circle brackets will be not counted in our second condition. So second condition will get us this kind of half brackets. So if this kind of bracket comes, then we will simply continue. So we can basically skip that loop. And also in this first condition, because we are using two characters as a one, so I will plus my I and also continue this. So there is no chance of any error. At the last, my last condition is for normal characters. So if any, I will also use if condition for this. So if any character, normal character comes in any iteration, then I will plus it here. So basically that will be our non-bracket character. I will use AND operator here. So this character should be not an opening end of circular bracket and also not be the uh, ending circular bracket. At here at last, I will add our normal characters. At the last, when loop ends, I will return our answer. Let's try to run it. Okay, so here is some. We have to use single brackets because uh, double brackets will be considered as a string, not a character. Let's try to run it again. Okay, so I think our continuous spelling is wrong. Let's try to run it again. Make sure you are not making this kind of silly mistakes in your solution. As you can see, our all three example cases are solved here. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so as you can see, our solution beats 58.53% of solution and only uses 0 millisecond of runtime. Hope you liked this one. If you did, then like it. Thank you for watching this video.